Hello, welcome to the complex plane. This is really easy. We're going to be plotting these complex numbers now. A complex number is made up of a real one, for instance, the 3, and an imaginary number, for instance, 4i. So to plot, we start in the center just like we do when we plot anything else on the x and y axis. So in this case, it's real axis and imaginary axis. So I start at the center. To plot the 3, I'm going to go right 3 on the real axis. And to plot the 4i, I'm going to go up 4 on the imaginary axis. And then plot your point. Still the same quadrants. So here's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So on the next slide, there's going to be 4 problems for you to do. Try them out, check them. Of course, if there's negative numbers, you would move to the left on the real axis or down on the imaginary. Check them out, give them a whirl. See you in a bit.